If you like videos about masquerades and dance and all the African cultural experiences, then click on the subscribe button, click on the bell so you're notified every time we make new content. Give us a like, leave a comment, let us know all the African stuff you'd like us to make videos about, and enjoy this video. Masquerades are a lot of things to different people and play very different roles in a traditional Igbo setting. They may dance and entertain, but they mean something deeper. To the average Igbo, masquerades are spirits. Spirits of the ancestors rejoining their children. Great spirits in communion with the living, to teach, to bless, to make merry with men, and to bring balance to the community's circle of life. Masquerade traditions have varied range of purposes that span from performing elements of epic drama derived from community cosmology and lore, ushering in new monsoon seasons, honoring totems and ancestral spirits, enactments of parables of myths, with entertainment and community building serving as consistent commonality. In the past, masquerades also bore judicial, social, regulatory, and even policing powers. However, these functions have decreased in modern times. People make offerings of money to the masquerades who praise and bless them in return. They ring bells to notify people of their presence. It is not wise to stumble into a masquerade. They are not all kind and benevolent. Since their handgear could include canes, they are never shy to use them. Hope you found this video entertaining. Well, if you've not subscribed, you should do that right now, and don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, and come back to more videos on the channel. And don't forget to make video recommendations. We're counting on that to keep providing great content. Alright, thank you, and see you in the next video.